it is. It is here. Early morning coming to work out, and my babe's Bronco is here. So the wifey said she wants to test this thing out off the rip. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing to it, nothing to it. Let's go, Rob. And it's like 7:30 in the morning. I haven't been up very long, and I'm usually not this energetic in the morning. It takes real deal quite a while. We're sleeping really good this morning, but we have Rocky with us. Rocky! And today is the day that the wifey's Bronco is getting its first modifications. We're so excited about it. Let's go. Last weekend of deer season's coming up, so we're going to deer camp to hopefully have some last minute luck with the family. And my wife is so excited, and we are too, about the iconic silver Bronco Wildtrak SASQUATCH. What we're gonna try to accomplish in the next couple days at the dealership in Willies is step bars, A-pillar lights, rock lights, and wheel and tire combo. Window tint, maybe a few surprises. So we're gonna head to the shop this morning after we drop off Brady from school. He's upstairs getting dressed now, but man, another horse for the stable, and we are loving this vehicle so far. So much fun to drive. Let's go, Rob. Go, Rob, go, Rob. Love this stance. So refined and fun. Best startup in the business in the Bronco. North Oconee High School. Go Titans. North Oconee is such a phenomenal school, y'all. Truly blessed to have Brady go to this school. The wifey has told me always drive it in sport mode, so let's check it out. 50, hit it. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pretty impressive. It puts it in 4 automatic mode, so you got that needed extra torque and go in a 4x4 when needed, y'all. I love that feature. The Bronco feels like a Can-Am. Straight up, it has a very sporty, fun feel to it. We had Mr. Wayne Bartlett yesterday tell about his Bronco that he's been driving. He actually traded his Lariat F-150 for his Bronco. Was kind of unsure, kind of like we were about the trading expedition for the Bronco, but he's like, Neal, I love it. It's such a fun vehicle, and it is, y'all. The Bronco is so fun to drive. Down at the Y, behind the dealership, I'm gonna get after it a little bit. We've got the baseball and fire emoji socks with the old school LeBrons. Let's get some exercise, and then let's get Bronco elevated. Just gave Dennis the Bronco to do tint all the way around, paint protection film, remove that hood decal. Going to add the Bronco script later, but you're going to love seeing the after shot of how much better even just something as simple as window tint does. Now let's grind. As always, Dennis did a great job on the window tint. We did a little more window tint, legal 32% up front, and did 5% limo over the entire back just to truly black it out. Love the way that looks. Paint protection film on the door edge guards, door cups, because the wifey, you know, that rock, y'all, and them nails, she loves her nails and that rock, and it'll always be scratching right there. So I got to take care of my babe with that. Did a sun strip on the inside also. Just the window tint, y'all, makes the vehicle so much more comfortable and confident and secure, in my opinion. Also out back, did a Bronco bed mat in the rear. That's just to cap it off for all the baseball equipment. Now we're going back in the shop, and my man Brent is going to do his thing with some lighting, and then James is going to do wheel and tire action. Let's go. Just got the Bronco back down to the dealership from Wild Willies. Oh my gosh, look at this. We now have a little bit of a wheel and tire stance action. We have some rigid lights with the red light backlight for the red line is coming to it soon. And look at the stance, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. And yes, we are on 22s. You can hate all you want to, but this is the wifey's ride. So haters gonna hate. We on Fuel Clash, gloss wheels, 22 by 10, negative 18 on 35 trails. We got rock lights as well. Got a nice side rock rail protector right there. A huge improvement. Look at the before shot. Now the after, and we just getting started. Yes. Pulling back in the neighborhood. Got the 360 lights on, off, on, off, on. Great visibility with the A-pillar lights, and got the video going because the wifey is outside.